Hello, Bhavya. Please introduce yourself, highlighting your educational background, relevant experiences, and why you are interested in this role of IBM India.
Good afternoon. My name is Bhavya. I recently completed my bachelor's degree in computer science from VVIT. During my studies, I developed a strong interest in finance and administration, particularly in process of analysis and financial reporting. I have experience working with financial data, accounts, receivable, and compliance, which I gained during the internship at Microsoft. IBM's reputation for innovation and excellence in finance and administration attracts me to this role. I am eager to contribute to my analytical and problem solving skills to IBM's financial operations and learn from industrial experts.
Can you please explain the key responsibility of a process analyst in finance and administration?
A process analyst in finance and administration is responsible for streamlining financial operations by managing accounts, payable or receivable invoice processing, and compliance with financial regulations. They analyze business process, identify inefficiencies, and implement solutions to enhance productivity. Additionally, they ensure accurate financial reporting and collaborate with different departments to improve workflow efficiency.
How would you handle accounts receivable and invoice processing?
I would ensure that invoices are generated accurately and delivered to the clients on time. I would track pending payments and follow up with customers to avoid delays. I would also leverage financial automation tools to minimize errors, ensure smooth processing. Additionally, I would maintain a record of transactions and escalate issues when necessary to resolve disputes efficiently.
What financial software and tools have you worked with?
I have experience using Microsoft Excel for financial analysis, SAP for transaction management, and IBM Cognos Analytics for generating financial reports. These tools have helped me analyze financial data efficiently and make data driven decisions.
How do you ensure compliance with financial regulations and company policies?
I stay updated with financial regulations through continuous learning and internal training. I also cross check financial documents against companies' policies and regulatory requirements to ensure accuracy. In case of dispensaries, I collaborate with senior analysts to resolve compliance issues and prevent future errors.
Okay. Can you describe a time when you improved a financial process or resolved an accounting issue?
During my internship, I noticed that the invoice tracking process was inefficient, leading to delayed payments. I proposed an automated tracking system that reduced processing time by 20% and improved payment collection. This experience taught me the importance of optimizing financial process for efficiency and accuracy.
Can you describe a time when you Okay, Bhavya, how do you handle tight deadlines and multiple financial tasks?
I prioritize tasks based on urgency and impact. I use task management tools like Trello or Asana to stay organized. I also break down complex tasks into simpler steps to ensure timely completion without compromising accuracy. When facing strict deadlines, I focus on efficient time management and clear communication with my team.
Okay. Tell me about a time you had to collaborate with multiple departments to complete a project.
At university, I worked on financial analysis project where I collaborated with marketing and operation teams to analyze budget allocations. I coordinated data allocation, ensured accurate financial reporting, and presenting the findings. This experience strengthened my ability to work cross functionality and improved my analytical skills.
Okay, Bhavya, let us consider a situation. Suppose you identify an inconsistency in financial records. How would you approach resolving it?
I would first verify the accuracy of data. and cross check records with supporting documents. If the inconsistency persists, I would discuss it with relevant teams to identify potential errors. If necessary, I would escalate the issue to senior management to ensure timely resolution.
Okay. If a client disputes an invoice, what steps would you take to address their concerns?
I would first review the invoice details and verify its accuracy. Then I would communicate with the client to understand their concerns and provide necessary clarifications. If needed, I would coordinate with internal teams to resolve dispensaries and ensure a fair outcome for both parties.
Okay. Thank you for your response, Bhavya. Now I had like to provide feedback on your performance. Your understanding of financial process is strong and you provided clear and structured answers. Your your use of real world examples help it showcase your practical knowledge. You can work on structuring your responses more conscientiously to enhance clarity. Consider adding more details on how you will handle challenging financial situations.
I appreciate the feedback. I'll work on making my responses more concise and providing more detailed examples in future interviews. I also found this interview helpful in understanding how to present my skills more effectively.
Your confidence and technological knowledge were impressive, Bhavya.
Your answers are well thought and well relevant. Keep it up.